According to Tech Review on Twitter, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature an upgraded main lens, an upgraded folded telephoto lens with variable capabilities, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. There was a rumor circulating before the launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra that it would feature a variable telephoto lens enabling two different sets of optical zoom without the need for two separate lenses. However, this turned out not to be the case when the phone was launched. Nonetheless, there are rumors that the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra may come with a similar feature. In addition, it is said that the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which is expected to be launched in 2026, will have a 200 megapixel sensor with 0.7 micrometers pixels and a 1/1.10 inch sensor for the main lens. This sensor will be slightly larger than the 1/1.33 inch sensor found in the current S24 Ultra. This upgrade is expected to enhance low light photography and dynamic range. And if you want to see what the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will look like, I made a video with the first images. You can watch it afterwards. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.